Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how I make my delicious Nutella mug cake in a microwave. Okay, let's begin. In a large mug, add the following ingredients: 2 tablespoons of plain flour, 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil, and 2 tablespoons of Nutella. Now mix everything until well combined. Once it's nicely combined, microwave it for exactly 1.5 minutes at 800 watts. And after a while, your delicious Nutella mug cake is ready to enjoy. Please give it a try and also do not forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.